we're continuing our repairs from our last video.
Our last video, we took out 2 light poles.
Yep.
And so I'm using the electrical off of that, and I'm going to get underneath the deck here, and I'm going to reroute all that conduit line and do away with some. We don't need it anymore. That junction box went to the light pole.
And that was a light pole that was over on the west side of the house?
East side of the house.
East side of the house?
Yep, so I ran the electrical from that to the side of the house right here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use that for the well, put 110 into the well house.
And you guys also dug a ditch.
Yep, dug a trench, and that's all new water line that we're digging with the box. I'm going to put a valve in there.
Mm-hmm.
Since we have a well, we don't have water meters.
Okay, what are you and Greg doing here?
Putting all new plumbing pipe in, all new PVC from the check valve coming off of the well and the bladder tank. We're just measuring off everything to see how high we need it.
Okay.
And to make sure everything is level.
And that's what's going to go over to?
That's going to supply the house and the back.
Extra water lines?
Extra water lines.
Okay,
yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just measuring everything off, and then we're going to cut it, make sure everything's plumb.
Mm-hmm.
And this was the original water coming into the house. They had it on the outside with just a regular PVC valve, which was all dry rotted and everything. So went ahead and digging that up.
And you're just redirecting it?
Rerouting it.
Rerouting it?
Where Greg's at, standing behind the tree.
Okay.
That's where the water valve box is. And it's going to go in the side of the house. It's not going to be in the front anymore.
Oh, that's much better.
Out in the elements.
Yeah. Especially, if you want to put skirting around the house, it was just in a way.
Right.
Okay,
so we went ahead and finishing up the height here. Putting everything together and making sure everything's level, because we have a filter on there also. And we're adding a water softener tank, which is good for 5 years. You put chemicals in it, and it softens the water for 5 years.
Yeah, especially well water is
Yeah.
pretty hard, so we definitely needed to have that installed.
It's not your conventional water softener that has your brine tank and all that. So now we're back underneath here. I cut the water line off. I have to put a reducer in there so I can run the new water line from the front to the side of the house. That's what I'm doing, cutting.
You're cleaning it up.
Cut the PVC pipe off, cleaning it up, adding primer and glue.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go ahead and glue the adapter on there so I can add the new water line from the side of the house that we ran earlier. Okay, we're going to let that sit after I get that on and lined up. Let it set dry for a few minutes. Then I'm going to put an adapter on it so I can screw a 3/4 inch stainless steel hose. It's going to be like a flex hose, kind of like the kind that you put on your washing machine. It's going to be like that, so when the house settles or moves or anything, the line is flexible and not rigid, and we don't have to worry about busting up a PVC water line that's going to the house.
Yeah, it makes it easier if you have to get to it later.
Oh, absolutely.
Right.
Plus, we'll wrap it up with insulation. Yeah. We don't have to worry about the winter time.
Yep, so now you're installing.
Now I'm installing the pipe that's going to go toward the meter box.
Next one.
And I'm just securing it to the floor beams.
With some brackets.
You got one for the 1/2 inch?
Screwing it in.
Yep, Greg's helping you. He's going to give you what you need from the outside.
Yeah, so I don't have to crawl back and forth, like Spider-Man.
Yeah, you don't want to. Well, there's definitely a lot of spiders underneath there.
Oh, definitely spiders underneath.
We had to try to clean it up as best as we could.
Good thing I'm not afraid of spiders.
Yep, now you're back at the well.
Okay, now we're back at the well. Looks like we got everything plumbed in. And we're still, like I said, we're running a wire to there so we can put 110, so we can put a heater and stuff in there.
Yeah.
And we got easy disconnects onto the water softener, so we can pull that out, add the chemical, because we haven't added that yet.
Yep. And let us know down in the comments, if you have a well, do you use a water softener?
Yeah. Have you ever done this before?
Yeah.
Be good to know, because this is our first time.
So now you guys are finishing up on taking those cinder blocks out, and then you're trenching.
Well,
right?
we're trenching because the water lines go beyond the slab of where the well is.
Yeah.
And so what we want to do is we want to build a well house that covers everything, covers the bladder tank, the softener, the electrical, all that stuff. So we took the cinder blocks and we're going to extend
Oh, I see.
Extend it out so we can build a building and everything will be covered, including the box, the pipe that goes underneath. It'll all be out of the weather.
Yeah, that's like you're extending the floor so you have something to attach to it.
Correct.
Cool beans.
Yep.
All right. Looks pretty good. You guys got it all nice and leveled.
Yeah, we're getting it all leveled so we can install the floorboards, anchor it to the concrete slab, so we can start building a frame and adding on to that.
Smile, you're on camera.
Oh yeah. So we have to drill the holes first to put the anchors in. And then once we do that, once we bore it down in the concrete, we'll put the expansion bolts on there, put it through the board, put a washer and nut.
Stay tuned to the next video so you can see that.
Absolutely.